All right, now that the engine is built and pretty much ready to go, I moved my efforts to the carburetor. I've got plenty of old Holley carburetors, a couple Carters, some Rochesters, but a Holley 600 CFM carburetor is really, to me, a perfect matchup to a mild-built Chevy 350 small block. So what I did was I took the carburetor for 40 bucks. I got a rebuild kit and I tore the carburetor completely apart, soaked everything, put brand new needle and seat in, new gaskets, new floats, everything, so we are good to go. The carburetor wasn't in bad shape. It had a lot of sediment from just sitting for years. So cleaning that all out, cleaning the passages out, it should be like brand new. So got that completely done. And one thing to keep in mind, you can actually over-carburate an engine very easily. And a lot of people make that mistake by thinking, oh, I'll put a big 750 or an 850 or something like that on a small block Chevy, and they're not built for that. Unless you have high compression, major cam in it, you do not need that much CFM out of a carburetor. So 600 CFM is kind of like the sweet spot, and that's why there's a bunch of them out there. And then like I said, with a mild cam, Vortec heads, it'll flow well. It should be a very reliable setup and should match perfectly. So now that it's built, I'll have it set aside, and when I put the engine back in the car, then I'll put the carburetor on then and test fire the motor.